Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete notes over on the GoodNotes app. So in order to delete notes, what you need to do is open the GoodNotes app, just like this. And then the first thing what you of course need to do is have a note basically ready you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this one I just created. Once you've done that, what you can do is go to the top right corner of your screen at those three little dots right here. And then right here it will either say clear page or move page to trash. So clearing the page will just completely clear the page as if it's a new page. And if you click on move page to trash, it will actually just completely remove the page. And that's what we are going to do right here. Now your page will be gone and it should be removed from this page right here as well. However, what you also want to do is go into settings right here, and right here trash, you will find the pages you have deleted. And I would recommend emptying here as well, and then your entire page is basically removed for good. So that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.